Hi viewers, welcome to Gani's YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I am going to explain you how to create grids in Tekla structures, and step-by-step process is available in this PDF. You can see in this single PDF, all tutorial PDF is available, step-by-step process. So if you need this tutorial, please join my channel and take a screenshot and send to my email address. I will provide this PDF. Okay, let's start. Open Tekla structures with Indian environment and take a new project. Let's take Tekla for beginners tutorial 3. Then click on create. When you get this pop-up, click on yes. Okay, now in our example you can see we have grids with the horizontal direction 1 2 3 4 grids and horizontal vertical direction ABC, and with the base spacing 6000, 5000 and 6000. You can zoom it. Hold the control and mouse wheel button to zoom it here. I'm going to create this grid, so zoom it, double click on this grid to open grid property window. In this x direction, by default this will be 0, so remove it and make it 0 and give the space. And the second spacing we have 6000 base spacing, so enter 6000 and give space. Next 5000 and give space and 6000. Now coming to the y direction, in the y direction in our example we have first grid at 0, so 0 and give space, and 4500 and give space and enter 4000. Now coming to z direction, in the elevation ground level is the 0, next 3000 and next 7000, so need to enter here 0, 3000 and 7000. Now coming to the label, in the x direction we need to provide 1 2 3 4 grids, so need to enter here 1, give space, 2 3 4. Now coming to the y direction, we have label names are A B C, so need to enter here A, give space, B space C. Now coming to the z direction, we need to enter plus 0 plus 3000 plus 7000, so enter plus 0 plus 3000, give space, plus 5000, sorry 7000. You can see 7000. Okay, now click on modify to see the result here. Then click on modify. You can see you will get like this: ABC 1 2 3 4 grids according to our design information. You can see step-by-step process also available in this PDF. You can see double click on grid to open the grid property window. Then you need to enter these values according to this grid information. First 0, 6000, 5000, 6000, and similarly in y and z direction, and the label also 1 2 3 4 grid and y z and modify. The same process I have already entered in this information step-by-step process in this PDF, so please check out this PDF. Please join my channel and I will provide this PDF. Okay, in this total entire we have 55. In this PDF we have 55 pages and the tutorials are 33 tutorials. You will learn entire Tekla structures software, especially for beginners. You can see, and close this window. You can see this grids are out of this model. Right click on mouse, interrupt. Now click on space, right click on mouse, fit work area to enter model to get this model in this work area like this. You can see, use the control and mouse middle button to rotate like this. Okay, that's it about how to create grids in Tekla structures. If you have any doubts, please comment below. For more Tekla structure related videos, please join my channel and please subscribe my channel also. Okay, thank you.